This video is going to cover assistance animals. And remember, when we're talking about assistance animals, we're talking about two types. The first one would be a service animal. And under ADA, typically a service animal is either a trained dog or a horse. There's one other type of animal that is trained that we'll discuss in class. But in the case of a service animal, keep in mind they have been trained, and you cannot ask for documentation for the animal showing any kind of training. Here's what you can ask if it's a non-obvious disability. Number one, is the animal required because of a disability? And number two, what work or assistance does it provide? A memory phrase would be need and function, nothing more. You cannot ask for a medical diagnosis. You can't ask for proof of training or details of the disability. The second type of animal under assistance animals is an emotional support animal. And for those, you can request documentation for a reasonable accommodation request for an emotional support animal. Under NRS 118.105, you can ask for documentation from a provider of health care. That does not say a provider of health care here in this state, and it does not say a medical doctor or a nurse. It could even be a caregiver. The memory phrase for assistance animals is assist. A is it's an assistance animal. It's not just dogs. It can be lots of animals. S is a service or an emotional support animal. The second S is no pet fees or deposits. The I stands for the individual need must be verified. The S stands for cannot require training certification for a service animal. And then finally, T, treated as an accommodation request. As always, if you have further questions, email classes@paulrich.realtor, and best of luck in your continuing studies.